Good day everyone. In this video we are going to learn how to insert or create chart in your spreadsheet using Microsoft Excel. Ready to play? Press the Start button. Inserting pie chart. What is pie chart? A pie chart is a circular graph that divides a whole into slices to show numerical proportions. Each slice represents a category, with its size being proportional to the quantity it represents, making it easy to visualize the part-to-whole relationship of data. The total pie represents 100% or 360 degrees, and the chart is best used for a small number of categories. To make a pie chart in Excel, select your data. Click and drag to highlight the cells containing the data you want to chart, including the category labels and their corresponding values. Go to the Insert tab. In the top menu ribbon, click on the Insert tab. Choose a pie chart. In the Charts group, find and click the Insert Pie or Donut chart icon, which looks like a pie chart. Select a chart type. A drop-down menu will appear with different pie chart options: 2D, 3D, Donut. Click the one you want. Customize the chart. The pie chart will appear on your spreadsheet. You can now make changes.
Inserting a column chart. What is a column chart? A column chart is a type of chart that uses vertical rectangular bars to compare values across different categories. The height of each bar is proportional to its value, making it easy to visualize and compare data points. They are especially useful for showing data changes over time or for comparing distinct items. To make a column chart in Excel, Step 1. Select your data. Click and drag your mouse to select the cells containing the data you want to chart. Step 2. Insert the column chart. Go to the Insert tab on the ribbon. In the Charts group, click the Insert Column or Bar Chart button. From the drop-down menu, hover over the column chart options to see a preview and select the type you want, such as a clustered column or a 3D column chart. Step 3. Customize your chart. Once the chart appears, click on its elements like the title or axis to edit them. Select the chart to reveal the Chart Design and Format tabs, which offer more options for changing colors, styles, and adding elements like data labels.
To customize a chart's design, select the chart to access the Chart Design or Format tabs, where you can change the style, colors, and layout. You can also right-click individual elements like titles or axes to format them specifically, or use the Chart Styles options to choose from predefined styles or manually adjust elements like colors, fonts, and grid lines. Click the chart you want to customize. This will show the Chart Design tab. Change the overall style. In the Chart Styles group, click the style you want or click More to see all predefined styles. Change the layout. Look for the Quick Layout option on the Chart Design tab to quickly change how elements like the title, legend, and data labels are arranged. Adjust chart colors. You can change the color scheme by choosing a different document theme or by selecting a color variation from the Chart Styles gallery.